Hello everyone, I am Rico Fragrance and this is my channel. We talk about the perfume and today this video is sponsored by Maxaroma. And today we are talking about a brand that deserves more attention, especially now with the new renovated packaging. You know which is the brand? Yes, you know. It's Blend Oud. Ta-da! What do you think about the new packaging? The color, the quality, I think it's a very good job. You know, Maxaroma, it's the best place for your fragrance shopping. And you can find more than these niche fragrances. In Maxaroma, you have a designer fragrances as well, discovery kit, weekly deals, and the shipping, it's not fast, super fast. And guys, I have a super code for you, not for me, for you. Rico gift, but not only for Blend Oud, but for any niche fragrances on the website. And when you use my code, you support my YouTube channel. You know, for to have this quality, this production, we need the money. Okay, all the world need the money, but it's not a money for me, it's for us, guys. Okay, now we need to talk about these three fragrances of Blend Oud. And these are my top three of the brand. Blend Oud is a brand that mixes an oriental accord with a more modern composition. And don't panic, here we don't have any heavy oud. Here we have simply these three perfume, easy to wear, with a good quality, good performance, and a super price. Okay, the name of these fragrances. We have Sana here, Khoul and Hour are three perfume for three different situations. Okay, can we start with Sana? Maybe. For me, it's the more sensual of these three fragrances. The quality, guys. The quality of the juice, it's incredible. This is very good. This fragrance opens with a blood orange, lavender, and bergamot. So at the beginnings, you get brightness, freshness, and slightly aromatic touch. But very quickly, Sana starts to become warmer and more seductive. In the heart, you have cinnamon, liquor, and jasmine. Then in the base arrives caramel, vanilla, and musk. It becomes creamy, sweet, musky, warm, and very close to the skin. It's a sensual, oriental, gourmand, but still elegant. For me, Sana, it's perfect for a dinner, for a date, maybe for a night out, or when you want something memorable. Have a good performance, moderate projection, but the quality of this fragrance, it's amazing. And now, let's move to Khoul. This is completely different, and believe me, smell unique. Khoul opens with a lemon, green notes, and bergamot. So the first impression is fresh, citrusy, clean, and bright. But this is not just a basic citrus fragrance, because after the opening you get peach, iris, and rose. Then in the base you have vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. The fragrance is warmer, creamy, and ambery in the same time. And this contrast is what I like, what I want in a fragrance. When you want to smell clean, elegant, and unique, it's a good option, eh? It has citrus, it has sweetness, it has powder, it has wood, it has amber. All these things, okay, but still super versatile. It's very easy to wear, it's perfect for the day by day, for the office, after a shower, why not? For a lunch, for a travel. It's really perfect for any moment of your day. And what I like of this fragrance, really, I think it's the balance. I don't know, when I wear this fragrance, I am simply happy. Okay, and now we go to Hour. This for me it's the number one of the entire brand. This is simply a luxury in a bottle. Nah, when you smell this, you can understand me. You can understand me. Oh, mamma mia! Freshness of this fragrance, it's insane. The opening has hyacinth and pineapple, so you get this green floral brightness mixed with a juicy fruity touch. But then the heart brings iris, jasmine, and pink pepper. And when Hour starts to dry down, the base becomes the real protagonist. You have vetiver, musk, patchouli, vanilla, and amber. And then the fragrance becomes more warmer, deeper, more sensual, and more expensive smelling. This is the reality. This smell simply expensive. It's super refined. It's this fresh, oriental, super unique. No, super unique. No. I want to smell more and more. The fragrance, it's not too loud, it's not too dirty, it's not too complicated, it's just elegant, warm, and smooth. It's memorable. You can choose this fragrance for the day by day, for special occasion, it's for all. It's simply for all. All the fragrances are extrait de parfum and then have a good performance, but this especially around 6-7 hours on my skin with a good projection for the first hour. The projection here is more moderate, but in these two it's more strong. But it's okay, the important things here is the aroma. This aroma, it's for me Wow, I love this. And now I have to make it more simple. Choose Sana if you want something sweet, something sensual, warm and addictive. Or you can choose Khoul if you want something versatile, citrusy, elegant, clean and super balanced. Or you can choose Hour if you want something more refined, when you want something fresh but in oriental way. And now I want to talk about the best part of this video. You know why? With Maxaroma you can discover all brand, not only these three, all brand, all Blend Oud with a discovery kit. You don't need to buy the full size. You don't need to buy nothing. You need for the first discover. You need for the first understand which fragrance is for you. This is my tasty, but maybe it's not your tasty. And for this, with Maxaroma, your perfume experience go more easy. And then don't forget about my code Rico gift. You have 15% off and you can help this channel for more and more content about the perfume. I hope the video is clear and you understand all. And thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next time.